Diphthong AY. Look at the picture, read the sentence, circle and write the correct word. Keep the cups on the tray. We go out to play. I can make many things with clay. The boy used yellow crayons. The cow likes to eat hay. Is the 5th month of the year May.
If you enjoyed the video, please like and share it with your friends. Do not forget to click the bell icon to subscribe for more such fun learning videos.